Aristotle thought of the human mind at birth to be rather like a blank slate, a clean tablet upon which nothing has been written, but its potential is actualized and its knowledge is gradually built up through experiences and sensory perceptions of the outside world. I like to think of Picture Perfect in this way, much like a blank slate at its birth. And since the beginning, through our experiences, much has been writ upon the Picture Perfect tablet. Every episode prepares us for the next, but there's so much more to know and to discover. We've experienced many aspects of the visual medium, be it in photography, film, animation, advertising, and we've also met people who blend together various mediums to create one huge canvas. We thought it appropriate to begin the season with the ultimate visual extravaganza, with an event that combines dance, music, art, lighting, graphics, photography, and a red carpet. On the face of it, award shows seem like exciting, glamorous events full of entertainment and drama. But for those who are responsible for making them happen, they are mammoth undertakings. The extent of planning and coordination that is required months before the event, as well as on the day of, is just extraordinary. And it can only be handled by those who are willing to work under pressure and those who can work as a team. I know that there is a reality show in there somewhere. Now, my crew and I are at the MMRDA grounds in Mumbai, where the countdown has begun for the prestigious Apsara Film and Television Producers Guild Awards. And over the next couple of days, we're going to get just a tiny glimpse into the preparations before the show, as well as the madness and the tricky coordination on the day of. What is the plan?
We've got altogether 8 performances.
Right.
There's Salman Khan, there's Kareena Kapoor, there's Katrina Kaif, there's Vipasha Basu, there's Ritesh Deshmukh.
Wow.
There's,
Quite
there's one part of the awards, which is a major part of the awards, is the process of getting your winners.
Yeah.
Which actually is done by the guild.
Okay.
Bushcraft puts together this entire thing, as in liaisons between the guild,
Right.
liaisons with another partner, which is NDTV Imagine, who is
Right.
your
Who's your
telecast
media
partner.
partner.
Who together becomes a partner in terms of what your content should be, what your show should look like.
This set was constructed at the workshop,
Okay.
and then
Part
it's
by part.
basically part by part. We get structures ready in the workshop, then we come over here, put on the platform, and then we start building the set over here.
If you see, the whole concept is about theatre. There's a theatre which has been created inside, in the center. So there's a facade of the theatre. There's an arch which basically gives dimension, another dimension to the whole set.
So it took us practically we got 12 days to build this set.
Wow, that's awesome.